If you have ever wondered how to turn what you already know into a source of income, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be telling you the 10 powerful ways you can monetize your knowledge even if you are still a beginner. So whether you're an expert in a field or maybe you are someone who is passionate about sharing what you know, there are so many ways you can turn that knowledge into money. So stick around and watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now before I continue, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we'll teach you how to make money, multiply your money and manage your money the right way. So if you love content like this, please like this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's talk about the 10 ways to monetize your knowledge. Now the first way to monetize your knowledge is to create and sell online courses. Now one of the best ways to make money from what you know is by creating an online course. Now people are constantly looking for structured learning experiences, and if you can teach something valuable, they will pay for it. Now platforms like Udemy, Teachable and even Coursera allow you to create and sell courses. And here's how you can do it. Now the first thing you should do is to simply identify a topic you have so much knowledge about, and at the same time something that people will really want to learn about, because you can only make money from an online course if there are people who want to learn the content of the course. I hope you understand. Now once you've identified the topic your course will cover, the next thing is to structure the content of your course into a format that will be easy to follow. From there you can now go on to record the content of the course, and if you have to show your face, get a very good camera or use a phone with a good camera and record the content of the course. But if it's a PowerPoint presentation or maybe slides, you can use screen recording softwares to record your screen. And once you recorded the course and edited your course, you can now go ahead and upload the course on platforms like Udemy or even on your own website and promote it through social media. And the good thing right here is that you only need to create the course once and you can sell it multiple times. And by the way, we have a full guide on how you can make money with digital products. In that video, you will learn how to make money with an online course. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, the second way to monetize your knowledge is to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you enjoy teaching and you want a way to monetize your knowledge by giving value to people, YouTube is a great platform to start with. Now, you can create educational content, tutorials, or explainer videos based on your expertise. And once you gain traction on YouTube, you can monetize your channel through different ways. You can make money through ad revenue, that's Google AdSense. You can make money through sponsorships or brand deals, and you can also make money through affiliate marketing. That is, you join different affiliate programs and you earn commissions when people use your referral links. And you can also make money by selling digital products through your YouTube channel. Now, all of these and many more are ways you can make money when you start a YouTube channel. So you can see that by just starting a YouTube channel, you can monetize your knowledge in different ways and even in multiple ways. And the third way you can monetize your knowledge is to write and sell ebooks. Now, if you have valuable insights or maybe you have a step-by-step guide you want to share and sell to people, writing an ebook can be a great passive income stream for you. And platforms like Amazon Kindle can allow you to sell your ebooks easily and make your money. And just in case you don't know how to get started with writing and selling ebooks, here's how you can get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is to choose a niche topic with high demand. Now, to do this, you need to do your research and get an idea of something or a topic that people really want to learn and ensure that it's something you have so much knowledge in. And once you've done that, go ahead and write the ebook in a simple and clear format, and ensure that you write the ebook in a way that will be easy for your readers to understand. And after you've done that, you can go ahead and design a cover for the ebook using Canva, and then go ahead and publish the ebook on any ebook hosting platform like Amazon Kindle or even your own website. And then once you've done that, you focus on marketing the ebook, and you can now sell it multiple times without having to create it over again. Now, the fourth way you can monetize your knowledge is to offer one-on-one coaching or consulting. Now, if you have expertise in a specific field, you can offer personalized coaching or even consulting services. So whether it's business coaching or maybe fitness training or maybe career mentoring or even personal finance coaching, people are willing to pay for expert advice. And to do this, you can create a coaching package with different pricing levels. So let's say, for example, you can do something like maybe $1,000 for 3-month coaching, or maybe $2,000 for 6-month coaching, or even maybe $3,500 for 1-year coaching. All of this depends on the field you are and the value you are giving out to people, and then people can pick the price and the duration they want. And you can use platforms like Zoom or Google Meet for your coaching classes. Now, another thing you can do if you want to do one-on-one coaching is to offer a free class or a free session to attract clients. So you can offer like a free class and attract people from that class to your paid coaching classes. I hope you understand. And when you start getting good reviews, you can now use those reviews and testimonials to build your credibility. And before you know it, you'll be making so much money from this. Now, the fifth way you can monetize your knowledge is to sell templates. Now, people love templates that save them time and effort. And in case you don't know what a template is a pre-designed format or layout that serves as a starting point for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, data content, or any other type of content. So instead of starting from scratch, templates provide a structured framework that can be customized according to your specific need as a user. So for example, if you are creating a business proposal, you can go online and download or buy a business proposal template that will include everything you must know to create your business proposal. So that way it is saving you time and ensuring that you don't miss any important element in your business proposal. Now, I'm just saying all of this to let you understand what a template is. So if you can create templates or planners that can help people solve a particular problem and save time, then go ahead and do that, and you can sell it to people on the internet. And another example is our budget tracker template. So at Personal Finance Circle, we have a budget tracker template that you can get for free to track your income and your expenses. So that's an example of a template. So if you use our budget tracker template, it will save you time and effort of creating your own budget tracker from scratch. And just in case you want to get the PFC budget tracker, the link to download it will be in the description below, and it is free. So that's the fifth way to monetize your knowledge, which is to sell templates. Now, the sixth way to monetize your knowledge is to monetize your knowledge through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending products that are related to your expertise. Now, here's how it works. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, and you recommend tools or products in your niche, and then you earn a percentage or a commission when someone purchases through your link. So for example, let's say you're a tech reviewer, you could recommend laptops on Amazon or even any other tech gadgets, and you earn commissions from every sale through your referral link. So that's another way you can monetize your knowledge. Now, the seventh way to monetize your knowledge is to license your knowledge. Now, some of you might be new to this, but what do I mean when I say license your knowledge? Now, businesses and brands out there, they need content, and you can create courses, you can create guides, you can create reports, videos, ebooks, and so on, and license them to other businesses or brands for a fee. Now, this means that you are giving these businesses and these brands the permission to use your content, and then they pay you. And this is perfect for educators and industry professionals to make money with their knowledge. Now, the eighth way to monetize your knowledge is to become a public speaker. Now, if you are confident speaking in front of an audience, public speaking can be a high-income skill for you. Now, there are so many people out there who don't even know half of what you know right now, and they are making so much money as a public speaker. Now, companies, schools, and even events are always looking for expert speakers. And if you have so much knowledge on a topic, you can speak at conferences, webinars, and you can even host your own corporate training sessions. And people even charge between $500 to as high as $10,000 for every speaking gig, and that's a lot of money to just speak about what you already know. So if you're looking for ways to monetize your knowledge, try to become a public speaker and show what you know on social media so that people can notice you. Now, the ninth way to monetize your knowledge is to create a membership community. Now, creating a membership community is a powerful way to share your expertise while building a sustainable income stream. Now, here's how you can get started with that. Now, the first thing you need to do is to identify what specific knowledge or expertise you want to share and who would benefit most from it. And ensure that your niche should be specific enough to attract dedicated members to your community. Then you need to clearly outline what members will get in exchange for their subscription in your community, and choose a platform that will be easy for people to join your community. It could be Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Patreon, and so on. But make sure that it is super easy for people to join your community. And ensure you keep your community active and engaged through regular live sessions or workshops or even interactive challenges or projects and so on. And remember that building a successful membership community takes time and consistent effort. So focus on delivering value and building genuine connections with your members, and the financial rewards will follow later. Now, the 10th way to monetize your knowledge is to start a newsletter subscription. Now, starting a newsletter subscription is a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge while also building a loyal audience. And here's a detailed breakdown of how you can get started. Now, the first step is to select the right platform for your newsletter, and you can use platforms like GetResponse or ConvertKit. And in case you want to create an account on GetResponse, I have a referral link. The referral link will be in the description below. And then once you've done this, the next thing is to define the value you'll be giving out to your newsletter subscribers. It could be exclusive insights, analysis, or maybe you are giving them access to industry trends and predictions, or maybe you are giving them actionable tips and strategies they can implement, or maybe you are giving them premium content. Whichever one you pick will depend on your niche, but the summary is that make sure you are giving them value. And then once you've done that, the next thing is to promote your newsletter so as to attract subscribers. And then you can also look for more ways to make money with your newsletter aside from the subscription fee your subscribers are paying you. You can make money with sponsored content from relevant brands, or you can use affiliate marketing for products you genuinely recommend. And if you want to be successful with this, ensure you are consistent with it and make sure you give out high quality content to your newsletter subscribers. So there you have it. These are the 10 powerful ways to monetize your knowledge. And remember, you don't need to try all of these methods at once. Just pick one that aligns with your strengths and your interest and then start, and then you can now expand and grow later. Now, the important thing here is to provide genuine value to your audience while staying consistent with your efforts. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, please, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification bell so as to stay updated with more personal finance and money-making tips. Also, please don't forget to join our Telegram channel and also subscribe to our newsletter. The link to do all of this will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.